that one looks like
No, they aren't.
Oh, his skin's a little bright.
They just have full bellies. They like to eat.
That one right there is a bowl.
These are all milking goats.
What's over there with you?
Oh my goodness. Look at these babies.
You can't get down! No eating my section is allowed! I love that one. Yeah, he's so cute.
They all do.
Cute, if you want, I want this one.
They all like to do.
Oh, this one's so light. So cool. Get in. Breathe.
Yeah, because we get 2 different flocks every year. Like this Saturday, we're getting.
If you put this up to their mouth, they'll eat it. Is that pet friendly?
Oh, I think you'll like this.
Which ones are friendly?
Buddy.
Is that friendly?
Yeah, she's friendly.
What do your animals eat?
Our animals eat mostly grass and grain. The cows, all the cows eat is grass and hay. The chickens will eat grass with some grain, and the pigs actually eat grass too, and they get grain. They also get vegetables. The cows and the pigs in the winter months and fall will eat winter squash, grass, hay, grain.